Now, with Tesla, a lot of times it feels like you have missed the move, and it is so strong. I love when it's so strong at the open and it feels like you've missed a move. Yes, you could have gotten a really great 5-minute opening range breakout on this, but I saw all these levels up ahead, this yesterday's close and this daily level, which I believe was yesterday's high. And I did not want it to use these as resistance when I got in. The risk to reward wasn't quite there yet. Hi everyone, it's Tiffany with Bearable Traders here to do my recap. I am going to talk a little bit about the criteria that I have for my opening range breakout. This that I'm showing you right now is the 15-minute opening range breakout, but it's the same exact for the 5-minute as well. It's very simple. I like to keep things simple. So obviously a breakout is just a break from the opening range. High volume, strong bearish or bullish, first 5 or 15-minute candle. Typically does a pullback to the VWAP or another important level, then proceeds to make new highs or lows, continuing in the direction of the first 15-minute candle. Obviously, I'm looking for high volume, strength and volatility. I wait until the first 5-minute candle closes or 15-minute candle closes. I wait on a pullback to an important level or VWAP, and then sometimes I take a small entry on the pullback with a stop below the VWAP or the important level, and then I add at the breakout, which you will see on my trades today. And then alternatively, you can wait until the breakout and make place your trade where the breakout is. Large wicks to the opposite side of the breakout is a great indicator, and I look for a confirmation on 1 and the 5-minute charts, and of course the 15-minute as well. And I usually take my entry after the 1-minute candle close higher or lower than the previous. So let's get into my trades for the day, just to give you an idea of what I'm looking for. So here you have AMC. The volume was really great pre-market. It was moving as if the market was open. There were clear daily levels, so the risk to reward was great. So it opened not so great. Here you have this doji at the open, but here, as you can see, it came back down and tested previous day close, pushed up through the VWAP and this other daily level right here, came back, retested the VWAP, and that's where I took a long position. It made a new 1-minute high, and my stop was if it pushed down below VWAP. And then I took a 50% partial at this even $20 because I saw a very large ask at the $20 mark. And then the rest came back and stopped me out at break even. It did end up running later on, but it consolidated between this daily level and the VWAP for quite a long time. But as you can, so our vol is important to me with my breakouts. I look for the relative volume to be over 100%, and I'll show you right here. The R vol right now is 450. At the open, it was well over 100%. And so I was trying to get my second partial at this 2050 level that I had marked from the daily, and as you can see, it did not quite make it, came back and stopped me out at break even. But that is how I traded the 5-minute opening range breakout for AMC. And here we have Tesla as a 15-minute opening range breakout, or it also formed an ABCD pattern. As you can see, the first 15-minute candle closed very, very strong. Now, with Tesla, a lot of times it feels like you have missed the move, and it is so strong. I love when it's so strong at the open, and it feels like you've missed a move. Yes, you could have gotten a really great 5-minute opening range breakout on this, but I saw all these levels up ahead, this yesterday's close and this daily level, which I believe was yesterday's high. And I did not want it to use these as resistance when I got in. The risk to reward wasn't quite there yet. So once it pushed up through yesterday's previous day's close and yesterday's high, I'm sorry, that's my dog. He sees kids playing outside in the cul-de-sac. Anyhow, so I wanted to wait on it to push up through these levels, and then I wanted to see what it was going to do, if it was going to consolidate above these important levels and then regain strength, and that is exactly what it did. It wasn't beautiful. As you can see, after this hammer doji right here on the 5-minute, I took a long position and stopped out when it made a, when it came back down below this daily level, which that was not my original stop. It was if it came back down through the VWAP, and if I would have held on, I could have survived this pullback, but Tesla's scary sometimes. So I waited, and it started making new highs off of this daily level. And really, if I was paying attention, I probably would have gotten right back in it at the following minute that I got stopped out, because at the 1 minute it was really nice doji, and it was regaining strength off of this daily level. And so I took another long position here, and my original stop was if it came back down below the VWAP and this daily level. And then as it broke out from the 15-minute, see right here, I went long at the pullback, added at the breakout of the 15-minute. And now I was able to move my stop to break even. If it came back down and came back down below the breakout, then I would have gotten out. But as you can see, I was able to take some nice partials up through R3 and never quite made it at R4. Now with Tesla, with my partialing, I really like to either do daily levels, pivot points, or I will do 5-minute or $5 increments. So as you can see right here, 10.15, 10.25, and I started running out of shares. And then when it made a new 15-minute low, I ended up exiting the rest of my position right here. Oh, right here. But if you have any questions about how I trade orbs, please feel free to comment down below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.